Do I still have to stop at the red lights to make sure?
Yeah, just roll. Roll normal, just roll caution.
Okay.
See, here they come.
And I do have this on webcam, body cam. No promises that it'll let me send it. It never lets me send it. It's always saying it's too long.
Yeah, you gotta chop it up. You gotta save his clip.
I tried, but it don't let me.
Let's just get this gentleman back to PD.
Yeah. I read him his rights and everything.
Okay, sounds good.
I usually drive back to PD with my Siren John after I capture somebody, so people know there's a suspect on the way to PD.
Yeah, I only do it if I'm being attacked. Otherwise, if we just roll with sirens on, we're not being attacked, then you're reckless driving, you know what I mean?
I mean, like, to get him back to PD is what I mean.
Yeah, if I'm being attacked, I'll do it, but if not, I'll still follow the same traffic laws.
Thank you for that tip.
Yep. Yes, sir.
Do I get upbringed for this too, like medals for this?
Yeah, you get some medals for it.
Okay, I just want to make sure. I hope you had your body cam on.
Oh yeah, it's always on. Alright, you take him up, Kelly. Just don't interact with any of the inmates, okay?
Got it.
I'm here. What the heck's that for?
What? Real quick, let me take this guy up.
Alright, sounds good, Kelly. Okay, that'll work.
Officer Starsky, let's go.
No, Kelly.
Yeah?
Wait, you're taking Starsky by yourself?
Yeah. I'm badged.
You're badged. You need another badged officer.
He is badged.
Starsky's been here before. Oh shit! Why am I thinking I did badge him last night? I'm sorry. Okay, but second, you need to chill out on arresting people until I start seeing your body cam footage on Discord.
It won't let me send it.
People all day, and I have
It says it's too long all the time.
Kelly, you gotta figure something out because you can't keep arresting people unless you post every single arrest.
Hey Kelly, I got some advice. What kind of phone you working with?
iPhone 13 Pro Max.